Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's take a quick look here again at Near Protocol, double check a couple of key factors here. We got the larger time frame fib levels pulled up, but we can go ahead and discuss like shorter ones as well, just so you get perspective here and jump right into that as well. So if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Hope you can learn something today. If you want to become a better trader, CryptoCache.tech is a site link down below. Got a lot of new traders coming over there, so make sure you recognize there are limited slots available, but more importantly, read through the signals guide to ensure you know specifically what's going on here, right? So we look at our Premium Plus group. We got a lot of good trades here coming through with Solana and Chainlink. We also got some ETH and BNB. These are basically day trading bot calls from a trading strategy that I created. Same thing with Bake too. We got a long, more bigger picture, longer term trades here with my swing trades, 31% there, and a couple of shorts from Matic and VeChain. So awesome stuff. Thank you again for the feedback from my community. When it comes to Near Protocol, I'm actually considering a trade with this coin. It's looking pretty good in the overall sense. We got this ascending trend line, both short term and long term. So we're going to discuss that and then also kind of just confirm a few key factors here with this coin, because there are some bullish qualities that we're starting to see, right? So again, we got the larger term time frame ascending trend here, and we got our shorter term frame, and we're going to look at both. Okay, so daily time frame, let's go ahead and double check this here first and foremost. First thing we want to look at is the simple moving averages. Okay, so again, we're above all moving averages here. Very few coins can say this. This is extremely beneficial. Moving averages are very nice to be above on the daily time frame. Gives you like confidence in knowing that you're more likely to see the price continue to increase and come back down. Again, they don't always work at support levels, but they do commonly average themselves out at those key fib levels. We can see this 0.618 fib level here for the more recent low to high. We can see that we are consolidating nicely there and kind of bounced off that level with the 20-day SMA. Furthermore, we can see on a larger term time frame here, we bounced off of 50 on the RSI. Money flow index is higher than the RSI, and stochastic, albeit pulling back, still looking pretty strong here with the convergence of the MACD. So daily time frame looks very, very solid. Very few coins can actually say that right now. So that's awesome stuff there. We do take a look at the 4-hour time frame. I know this kind of seems a little convoluted. Let me go ahead and just remove these larger term fib levels and just give perspective. We're right here at that 0.618, that golden pocket, and this is from a larger term perspective. So we're going to focus on smaller time frames right now just because we're trying to consider looking for an entry. And while larger time frame fib levels are important, we want to recognize too at this point, we've got some smaller time frame movements that are important to recognize. What I'm getting at here is we are above all 4 moving averages for the moment. It's an extremely beneficial sign. We're also over 50 on the RSI. While money flow index is pulling back, it's pulling back because it's averaged out over the last 14 candles. So there's more selling pressure than buying pressure. That tells us essentially that the price action is increasing, and inevitably we have an average amount of volume. What I mean by that here is when we look at this volume, it's up, it's above and below this average price. So in truth, this leg up here is looking good, but it may not be as sustainable, but I do love to see here this convergence on the horizon. So a MACD convergence, a lot of reasons why this upper level liquidity will be swept. Okay, so again, there's a lot of liquidity left to the upside here with that massive candle wick, and it would make sense for the price to continue pushing further higher. Take a look at the Ichimoku cloud. We can confirm here we are within the cloud, but lagging span's free and clear. If we move this out of the way and take a look here, we can see conversion line is above the baseline too. So we got 2 out of 3 reasons why a long position is viable. I would say a closure today at about 728 or higher would be very, very beneficial. The reason why is because we see this most recent high working as a potential resistance. So until we get above that level, we can presume that's going to work as a resistance for us. What we're likely looking for is price action to break through and to do a bullish backtest and to get in right here at roughly about 730. Okay, so I think 730 or higher is a good consideration for a long position. That's ultimately what I'm going to be looking for. So I've got this on my radar here for potential swing trade to the upside. I would be careful shorting coins like this where they have a lot of good beneficial macro qualities. That has a tendency of working in your favor to the upside, but you're going against the grain if you're considering a short on this coin, at least right now at this exact moment. Okay. Again, it's all looking pretty good. We got a lot of little ascending trend lines that are looking pretty decent. So all in all, Near Protocol is looking fantastic for the moment. Hope this made sense and I described this correctly. Do me a favor again, like the video, comment below, deeply appreciate that. And do yourself a favor, trade the Near Protocol and other awesome trading coins, trading pairs on this exchange. $5,500 in benefit rewards, use my link to register. BitUnix has got you covered, no KYC or VPN, they got some phenomenal options too. Check them out folks. Hope you have a good rest of the day, we'll see you in the next one. Take care.